Hey, I'm Todd. Thanks for choosing to watch my video, and if you would subscribe it, like it, all that stuff, that'd be great. Otherwise, enjoy the video, and I hope it gives you the information you need and is helpful to you. Take care. 2018 Dodge Ram 2500 headlight assembly replacement. That's what we got, so it shouldn't be too bad. 10mm bolt here. Then down here is a 10mm bolt. Be undoing that, and then inside the wheel well is a little flap here. Just pull the flap down, just gonna get friction fit set up here. So just pull this down. Inside there is a lever. The lever right in the middle. Just got to push that up to disengage it. That's engaging right on this, right here. And there's a friction fit ball knob here. We have our electrical connector. Then the piece that we're getting to right now on the bottom, the bolt goes down this way. And then there's the 10mm bolt that we've already taken out for headlamp assembly. I do have a magnetic setup on this, so if we can pull the bolt out, that's going to be the one tricky part. If you have small hands, maybe you can undo the grill. 10mm bolts along the top, and maybe we'll pull it back a little bit. Get it. Otherwise, you can stick a piece of paper or some tape inside there. So I'm going to put the phone down, my videotaping recording device, and guess my magnetic socket's not working. I'm using a magnet. So it's gonna get a little thingy here. Got the bolt out. Little ball socket. Little lever for locking and unlocking. You can see what's going on. Get that nicely balanced in there somewhere. So that's the lever. And the other screw hole. So we'll unplug this and plug the new one in and reinstall it. So I think theoretically you're supposed to push down on this little tab and it's supposed to release and pull off. Get back here with a little pick, it comes off easier. Didn't have any luck pushing on the little tab. Push that into there when you're getting ready to reinstall it, I believe. lined up, and we'll probably just push it into place. So my magnet wasn't working very well, but I'm sticking some Kleenex, some tissue paper in there, and it's going to hold the bolt in place while I drop it down back into the hole. So we'll just get down there with our bolt, and then we'll install the 10mm bolt right in there, and then you will have installed your headlight. Of course, you want to turn it on probably and make sure it works before you put it all back together, but feel good about this. That is replacing your headlight assembly in your 2018 Dodge 2500. If this headlight assembly looks like yours, this video will probably work for you. Good luck to you.